Golden Elephant MMA 200. This is the front panel with rear output current 160 amps. And let's see the size. We can put our logo on the two sides and with the handle. And we can see the back. It is 220 watts. And this is the power cable. We can connect with the plug which is suitable for your country. And this is the another side. Okay. This is a very portable model. Welcome to order from us. We can also choose our Golden Elephant ground electrical holder and the ground clamp, which is made of pure copper. We have our own pattern. Thanks.